I think for everybody, not just for the people who are preparing to become a master of wine, but for any person, it would be healthy and helpful to be more curious and more present in their lives, and be more like a child. Be curious about
Exactly.
everything.
Yeah.
Smell the soil,
Yeah.
smell the flowers, and
Yeah.
try to be more in the moment. Because I think this is,
Yeah.
it's quite cliche. Everybody knows this, but it's always
Yeah.
good to remind ourselves that we are living in this world when everything is so fast, and we are usually not really paying attention to the small details. But I think these are the things that make life beautiful: the small
Yeah.
situations, the small smells, a beautiful view. We have to
Yeah.
put more attention on these things. So
Yeah.
not just the people who are trying to become a master of wine, but all of our viewers should smell the forest floor.
Yeah,
and
absolutely. Yeah, and
and
I think even the wine education makes you really connected to the world and to the nature, because you cannot do it if you don't recognize different smells in the world, or you need to visit and understand the
exactly,
climates and regions. So it's not something you can sit back to your computer at home and just
learn
watch
it.
and learn. You really need to go there, and you need to go and see the rocky soils in Châteauneuf-du-Pape or Slate in Moselle, and
Yeah,
then you can hit the stones and okay, what is the smell, and oh, it's warm. Even it's night, the soil is warm here because of the sun heated the soil
yeah,
during the day. Or this is how it's working. So you really need to connect yourself to a lot of things, which,
yeah,
like you said, I think it's really nice experience, and I think that's for me that's more real life than just uh, sitting and reading. You need to
of
experience in
course.
order then you can really understand what is in the bottle.
Of course. Wow, this is a very interesting and beautiful idea that
Mm,
getting into the culture of wine teaches you so many things. This with the aromas and paying attention to the details, but also it helps you to understand history, because learning about these wine regions and wineries, you learn a lot
mm,
about history. You travel, you experience so many interesting things. So this complexity really helps to build the person's character, I
mm,
think, which is a very beautiful thing about the science of wine. That's why we love it.
absolutely.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.